Good morning. The Indian markets have been trading at close to its new highs, but have been not able to break important barriers on the upside. This includes the levels of 26725 for Sensex and around 8000 levels for Nifty. Yesterday, the Indian markets managed to close at a new lifetime high closing. This rally mainly led by the IT, the banking, and the pharma stocks. Yesterday, the auto sector was the major sectorial gainer along with the oil and gas stocks, while reality emerged as the major sectorial loser. This was mainly on account of fall in DLF shares. Yesterday, the Supreme Court ordered DLF to pay a fine of around 630 crores as ordered by the antitrust regulator CCI, which imposed a penalty on DLF for unfair business practices. Yesterday, FIIs and DIIs were both buyers in the cash market segment, where they bought goods of around 290 crore and 237 crore respectively. Yesterday, the US markets ended on a relatively flat note after being positive on the previous trading session. The markets remained relatively positive on the news that the ECB has decided to infuse further stimulus in the Eurozone economy in order to revive growth if required in the future. Coming to some news for today's session. Cain India has been allowed to sell gas at $8.4 per unit from its Rajasthan block to the Gujarat-based plants as it entered into the production sharing contract before the launch of the National Exploration Licensing Policy (NEL) in 1990s. However, this new price will not be allowed for firms such as Reliance Industry and GSPL, which entered the production contracts after the launch of NEL. Bharat Petroleum (BPCL) has decided to invest around 35,000 crore over the next 3 years in order to raise its capacity and invest in exploration projects overseas. This investment is about the total investment made in the last 10 years and also double of what is invested in the last 3 years. The Asian markets are traded in a positive zone in the early morning trade, with the Singapore Nifty being up by around 18 points. Today is the expiry of the August series and hence market are expected to be volatile for today's session. However, overall, the markets are expected to remain positive for the day. Thank you very much and happy investing.